Hey guys, it's Mr. Kram. As promised, fourth grade parents, this is the video on doing place value drawings for takeaway problems in the hundreds of thousands. And I have the camera sort of wonky right now just to show you my pictures real quick. We're going to represent each place value with the drawing. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. They've seen these pictures ever since I think second grade. The tens, thousands, the hundreds, thousands, I've come up with some quick pictures just to show the place values. And let me show you how this works. All right. So I've got a standard takeaway problem here. 135,216 takeaway, 52,948. Now, when they're doing a place value drawing and it's takeaway, they only have to draw the very top number. I tend to start with a bigger number, work my way this way. They don't have to. They can start with the ones and go that way. Okay, so according to this, I've got to draw this top number, and I need to draw one group of 100,000. My drawing for that was the rectangle with the star. I've got three groups of 10,000, which according to that, 1, 2, 3. I've got five groups of 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got two groups of 100. Sorry, that looks too much like 1,000. I've got one group of 10, and I've got 6 ones. Okay, now that I've represented that top number, albeit in a very sloppy fashion, I'm just going to go starting with ones place and work my way this way. Just like a normal takeaway problem, I'm going to start with ones place. The first thing it's asking me to do is take away 8. I can see right here, I don't have enough, and I can see here in my drawing, I really don't have enough to take away 8 from this. So the term I use is you're going to go next door, and you're going to crack open the tens place. Okay, you're going to crack open that 10 stick. You're going to crack it open with an X. And out from there come out 10 brand new ones. And the 10 brand new ones, I'm just going to add to my ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I've got enough. I went next door, I took all those ones out, I dumped them in a pile right here. I've got to take away 8 of them. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. All right. According to this now, in the tens, I've got to take away 4, but I have none here now. I cracked it open, it's gone. So I need to go next door, crack open one of these hundreds, and out from the hundreds are going to come 10 brand new 10 sticks. And those can go in my 10 stick pile. So crack it open with an X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And from that 10, you need to take away 4. So very deliberately, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross out my 4, and that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups of 10s. All right, on to my hundreds. I can see here I have 1 left, but according to this, I need to take away 9 of them. That's fine. I'm just going to go next door to my thousands. I'm going to crack open the thousands, and I'm going to take out from that 10 brand new groups of 100. Crack it open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, I've got 10 brand new groups of 100. According to this, I've got to take away 9 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, just making sure you can actually see what I'm doing over here. That leaves me with 2. Okay, moving on. Thousands place. I need to take away 2. I can see here, I've got enough to do that, so I'm just going to cross off 2 groups of 1,000. Count what's left. I've got 2 left there. On to my 10,000s. I can see I've got 3 groups here, but it wants me to take away, let's see, 5. I can't do that, so I have to go over to the hundreds of thousands. And I need to crack that open. I'm going to take out 10 groups of 10,000. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I need to take away, according to that, 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 8 of those left. 1, 2, 3, comma. According to this, I've got 82,268 as my answer. And when my kids do this, when my students do this, I have them do this, but then solve it with the standard algorithm for 2 reasons. Number 1, you need to check their work. If both of these answers match, they're in really good shape. If the answers don't match, they just need to go back and figure out where that mistake was. And it's really good in terms of getting them to be critical thinkers about their own work. The second reason is I really worked on going next door, cracking things open and taking out groups of 10 on the next place value over. And conceptually, they did it here, and I wanted to tie it to what's happening over here. Sometimes we just get in the rhythm of this and don't think about what we're actually doing in terms of getting place values out and adding them to the next place value over. We just did it here, and I wanted to tie it together. So hopefully my 2 answers are going to match. Wish me luck here. Let's see, 6 minus 8, I couldn't crack it open. On left, 16 minus 8 is 8. 8, 8. And you can see here, I had to crack open my 10s. Well, it's exactly what I did over here as well. All right, on to my hundreds. 0 minus 4, I can't do it. I have to crack open hundreds. 1, 6. All right, 6. Very good. Hundreds, can't do that. I can't do 1 minus 9, so 5 becomes 4. 11 minus 9 is 2. Now, here I can see I ended up with 11 groups of 100. I should go back to be able to see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I had 11 groups of 100 here. I had the initial one that I cracked open, but I had 11 groups I was working with to take away that 9, and that's represented perfectly right here. So I'm in good shape right now. 4 minus 2, did that. 3 minus 5, I couldn't do that. My 10,000s place. I remember I had to go over to my 100,000. I had to crack open my 100,000 and take out 10 groups of 10,000. That's exactly what I'm going to do right now, too. Cross it off, that's 0. 10 groups of 10,000 becomes 13 groups of 10,000, which I can see right here. 13 minus 5 was 8. 1, 2, 3, comma. 82,268. 82,268. They both match. I'm in good shape. So that is a quick explanation of place value drawing to get a takeaway problem done. It's really just about going next door, cracking it open if need be, and taking out those groups of 10. And again, it's just like the standard algorithm, it's just a rhythm. Going next door, cracking open, bringing 10 over, and so forth and so on. All right, if you guys need anything, please let me know. My email address up here. If I'm being confusing about this at all, please let me know, because I'd love to explain it again if need be, or give you an extension activity. So, okay, thanks for tuning in.